Hi, in front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now you can tap on voice typing and click on this switcher next to it to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!